you have to draw the line on in understanding risk and reward ideas, where potentially it might come back to, the middles. And the last thing you want to do is get caught being late Charlie. So if they give it to you, back here, and you want to take the short here, we already know the momentum shift is come from the angel, trying to get back in towards the middle. So we've already got that done. And when I said, be very careful, the low is probably in already. It doesn't have to be, but it just felt like a momentum shift once we started to make these higher highs. And this right in here, there are a lot of traders that like this trade right here. That the come back and touch the bottom of this. But I find you're better off to let it bounce a little bit higher. Don't be afraid of missing. I said that before. Don't be afraid of missing it. You're better off letting it come up a little bit above this break. If you want a safer trade, you'll miss some, but you'll get stopped out a whole lot less. And that's why before I'd said, let's use this 3 areas as potential retest. And they can go back and retest anything it wants now with this Momo. So the trick is now the lunch bounce has happened. And in my opinion, obviously the 6 is a very important support, 6.5. But before that, now the shorts have to undo this 98 again. The IB low. So that's going to be significant for now. And step by step. And you can see just how this 2 little ticks underneath this, the head fake, right? And we said, guys, risk and reward, think about it. Could get the bounce. And this, in my opinion, is a V bounce. So we'll see this afternoon if the shorts have the courage to come back in and knock it back down. But I think already the long side has neutralized the push. And we said originally our target was, hey, if we could get to 97, we're doing good. That was our target. This is the overflow, and this is the spin zone where David Slingshot comes out. For those who are just committed to saying, no, this is going to be a seriously down day. So now we've got the afternoon battle. Both sides have money. We're back into the middle. And in my opinion, conservative trades for both sides. Certainly longs have won the lunch battle and neutralized. And obviously for the day, the shorts have still a commanding posture in that they rejected the high. But now they need to step up. They need to say, no, you don't. Fine, you got your little bounce. Go back in your cave, you weasel. If they don't do that, it's all over. So we had said originally 94, 95, big area for the boys. So far they defended that one time here. And that's like a double. They're not worried about 1 or 2 ticks. This is their loading zone. They're saying, come on, fine, bring it to me. So very important now that the short side get back into the game this afternoon and start to unwind this. Anybody that has profits for the day, you should be in protect profit mode. We said that already earlier for the short side. Longs, you should be thinking the same way if you're a day trader. And the most important thing, don't undo a good day. Don't become a hero trying to say, okay, we're way ahead. We're going to win. I'm going to come back and we're going to go hit this again. That's the kind of thinking that's, devastating. We've got the rain line. We know that anybody who's long should be taking profits. If you don't, that's up to you. But this is a high value target right here, the 275, the 3 area. And for now, I'm looking at this low right in here. Told you guys when we're looking, I said this is going to be a very important rotation right here. So going back to what we said, that's the that's the IB low, and that's got to get broken all over again by the shorts. So ahead of that, obviously, this support low that reclaimed its territory said, okay, fine, you broke me, but I'm resetting and I'm going, and so that's support all over again now. And it's like whack-a-mole. It's definitely like whack-a-mole. And this is a momentum trade down, and now we're a reverse momentum trade up. So right now, the bulls still have Momo on their side. And that was an original area of support that became resistance on this plunge. And that's back in play. So anybody that wanted to use the 03s, you know, if it takes your stop, fine. Don't let it run against you. Just jump up to a new level if you want to play, or better yet, stay sidelines. Let it sort out a bit and then find a timing trade.